Jung's Journal. It's a brand new day, brand new life, and of course, it's a brand new vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for being here with me again. It's another week, it's another rest day, and it means another vlog day for me. Alam niyo, guys, I was supposed to do another product review, but alam niyo yun, suddenly, I just had a change of heart. I decided na i-postpone na lang muna yung product review na gagawin ko. Total naman, wala naman akong kontrata dun sa brand na yun. So, it's okay na i-postpone ko yung vlog na yun. So, today I just wanna sit down here and do a self-care and self-appreciation vlog. Before I continue with the vlog pala, guys, hindi ko alam kung at this point nabalitaan nyo na kung nagtitiktok kayo. If you know Sean Beltran, he already passed away. He is a content creator sa TikTok na super courageous kasi despite sa battle niya with cancer, hindi niya pinakita online na weak siya. Talagang pinakita niyang until at the very end, he fought for his life. Nung una, ayaw ko pang maniwala sa nakita ko sa TikTok. But then, kinonfirm nung nanay niya na he already passed away. I saw a post of his mom sa Facebook to confirm his passing. So ayun, doon na nag-sink in na, oh my gosh, he's really gone. It saddened me kahit na hindi ko siya kilala personally, pero kasi nakikita ko yung mga posts niya na kahit ang hirap-hirap ng buhay, ang hirap-hirap ng pinagdadaanan niya, fight lang siya ng fight. He is so courageous. But God has other plans, at hindi natin pwedeng pangunahan yun. So may he rest in peace and may his family find comfort in these difficult times. So ayun na nga, guys, back to the topic. I'm doing this vlog kasi I wasn't, that kind to myself lately. Yung feeling ko ba na hindi ko mapatawad yung sarili ko, yung naging kasalanan ko noon, bumabalik-balik na naman. Alam mo yun, yung kahit na alam ko sa sarili ko na napatawad ko na yung sarili ko before. Pero, I don't know what's happening. Bumabalik na naman yung memories, yung mga maling nagawa ko na naituwid ko na. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Parang bigla na naman ako nag-dwell sa past, sa mga maling desisyon ko sa buhay, sa mga maling nagawa ko noon. Tapos, alam mo yun, inaaway ko na naman yung sarili ko, which is hindi na dapat, kasi nga, napagdaanan ko na yun. At tapos, moving forward ako ngayon. I don't know. I really don't know what's happening. Last week, someone talked about my bad behavior. Yung bad behavior na yun, hindi ko na i-mention kung ano. Pero, I am trying. I am doing my best to correct it. And that person is nakafocus lang sa negative behavior na yun. I'm not sure kung nakikita niya na I'm trying, I'm striving hard to correct it. And then suddenly, boom! It hit me. Ibig sabihin, ganun ka-negative yung behavior na yun para maging ganun yung impact sa ibang tao. And I'm doing my very best para ituwid yung mga mali ko, yung mga maling decision ko, yung mga maling ginawa ko sa buhay. And I am not gonna let anyone, go my way. I don't care if they are going to believe me or not. It's me. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'll go there. I'll change the bad habits. I will be successful. And sana kapag nangyari yun, I will see them clapping for me. So, in this vlog, I'm going to commend myself for doing well this week. So, naglista ako ng mga magagandang bagay na nagawa ko this week to remind myself that I am worthy, I can do it, and that I should be kind to myself. First sa list ko, I completed a work week. Though yung Friday medyo sumablay kasi late ako kasi masama yung tiyan ko nun. But anyway, it's still a good job for me dahil kompleto ang week ko, wala akong absent. Second sa list ko, I've been kind to others. Though nasa, rule of life naman yan na maging mabuti ka sa kapwa mo. Pero gusto ko lang i-commend yung sarili ko kasi naging mabuti ako kahit merong mga taong hindi naging mabuti sa akin. Third thing that I did well ngayong week, I walked and nagpaaraw ako. So, kaninang umaga, lumabas ako, namalengke ako, nagpaaraw ako, And I felt great. I felt good. I love it. And fourth sa list, I completed a whole week of fasting. Kasi ngayon, sinusubukan kong mag-intermittent fasting ulit, 16 by 8. So, hopefully, nagawa ko ng 1 week na sana magawa ko siya ulit ng tuloy-tuloy like I did before. And yung fifth sa list ko is I cooked food even though it wasn't aesthetically pleasing. Nagluto ko kanina at hindi talaga siya magandang tingnan. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako marunong magluto in the first place. But then, simula nga nung napangasawa or naging jowa ko to si Ernie, ayun, nagtry ako ng mga bagay-bagay. So, nagluto ako kanina ng eggplant na may tomato sauce, may egg, may cheese. Sabi ng mga kapatid ko, ang pangit daw tingnan, di daw nila ma-imagine yung lasa. But I don't care. Naubos naman ni Ernie. Nasarapan naman kami pareho. So, ayun, I'm still proud of myself. And sixth sa list, I posted a new vlog. So, natutuwa ako na tuloy-tuloy na yung weekly uploads ko dito sa YouTube. So far, wala akong planong itigil yun. Kasi naaaliw ako, na-okay pa yung oras ko. So, ayoko magkaroon kasi ng idle time. Para alam mo yun, mawala ng room for any negativities. So, nag-post ako ng vlog yesterday, Saturday, yung sa Pretty Peach Intimate Wash. Kung gusto nyo panoorin, lalagay ko yung link niya sa information box. Seventh sa list, meron akong 2 compliment or gem calls sa work. So, yung 2 customers na to, natulungan ko at na-satisfied naman sila na yung tipong gusto nilang kumausap ng supervisor or bigyan ako ng survey, para lang i-comment. So, I'm happy na nagagawa ko yung trabaho ko na maayos at nasa-satisfy yung mga customers namin. And yung natutuwa sila at na-appreciate nila yung service ko. And 8 sa list, I've been productive. Sabi ko nga, nakakompleto ako ng work week ko ngayon. Tapos ng rest day ko naman, ang ginawa ko yesterday, it's more about Ernie. Tinulungan ko siya sa online banking niya. Kasi siya ngayon, nasira yung phone niya. Basta anyway, so, nung na-retrieve na yung phone niya, basta, I helped him with that matter. Medyo naging challenging nga lang yung pag-set up ko ng phone niya. iPhone kasi, alam mo naman ng iPhone, apaka-arte, ang daming eme-eme. So, ayun, yesterday, I helped him with that. I mean, Saturday, medyo konti lang yung ginawa ko kasi pagod. Alam mo kasi yung umaga, tapos buong araw kang gising. Diba? Lupay-pay ka na, pagod ka. So, ayun yung ginawa ko kahapon. I helped Ernie with his phone, his online banking stuff, at kung ano-ano. And kanina naman, Sunday, I woke up early kasi inabangan ko yung shampurado ni nanay. Yung neighbor namin na matanda na nagluluto ng mga almusal, super sarap ng shampurado niya. Madali kasi maubos yun kasi nga masarap. So, gumising ako ng maaga kanina para makabili nun. And after nun, namalengke ako. Yun nga, nagpaaraw ako, namalengke. And then, nagluto. Pagkatapos kong magluto, naglaba naman. O diba? Very housewife. And after ko namang maglaba, ayun na, naligo ako at ito na, nag-film na ako ngayon ng bagong vlog na next week ko pa to ma-upload. O diba? Ang saya, ang dami ko nagawa. Yung 9 sa list ko is, I'm happy because I was able to talk to Ernie about my struggles, yung weaknesses ko, and some other stuff, anxiety, depression. Sit down with him lang, yung magkayakap lang kami, tapos kino-comfort niya ako, sinasabi ko sa kanya yung mga hinanaing ko. Kasi minsan nahihiya ako sa kanya, kasi alam mo yung ang bait-bait na tao, tapos ang strong din ng personality niya. Tapos, hindi niya alam, hindi niya naiintindihan yung depression or anxiety. Pero, nakikinig lang siya. Andyan lang siya. Kumbaga, wala siyang sinasabi, pero pinaparamdam niya lang na may kasama ako at may nakikinig sa akin. And I'm so happy. So, ang last sa list ko, but this is the best thing that I did this week. I decided to get up and show up. Yung kahit ang daming balakid, tumayo ako at lumaban. Nalabanan ko yung procrastination ko. And I'm so happy, so proud of myself. Ginawa ko tong video na to para in the future meron akong babalikan. Tapos, sasabihin ko sa sarili ko, "Hey, you did this. Ang galing mo, 'di ba? Nalabanan mo 'yun, nagawa mo 'yun. You did great, Jang, and you will keep doing great things in life." O kayo din na nanonood diyan na may similar situation sa akin, patawarin niyo ang mga sarili niyo at sabay-sabay tayong mag-move forward sa magandang future. So that is it for now, and before I officially end the vlog, I want to remind you that you are enough and beautiful the way you are. Thank you so much for watching Jung's Journal. I'll see you again next time. Bye, good night!